Hello everyone! Good morning! Wow! Good morning! We're on our way to SM Mega Mall dahil ngayon ang Klook Travel Fest, the most anticipated event of the year. Oha! So ayan, inaantay ko na lang si Mamu. Nagharap lang ako ng orange kasi wala akong orange. Nag-ano na kasi ako ng mga damit ko. So, late na tayo kasi dapat 10 kami nandun. Pero 9:30 na, nasa Valenzuela pa rin tayo. So, bahala na ako ano mangyari. Mag-MRT naman kami ni Mamu para mabilis. No traffic, okay? So, bye. Sorry, excuse me. See you later.
Thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-experience sa aking maging maleta. Thank you, Flo. Natupad na yung pangarap ko. Good morning, travelers! I love the energy. Kakabukas pa lang ng mall. Talaga namang punong-puno na tayo. Grabe na yung pila natin dyan. Hello, everyone! Welcome once again to the Klook Travel Fest 2024. It is so beautiful here today at Hotel Klook. And I'm sure you guys are so excited for what we have in store for all of you, our dear guests today. Today's video, talagang ready tayo for our hotel. At dahil kakabukas lang ng Mega Mall, ang dami ng nakapila, is it safe to say na lahat excited ng gumala? Yan ang gusto ko sa inyo eh. Talagang ready na silang gumala. So, we are back and rolling out the red carpet because guess what? In addition to the excitement of this festival, we are also celebrating something special. It's Klook's 10th anniversary. When I say go, sabihin natin, happy 10 years, Klook. Okay lang ba yun? Alright, in 1, 2, 3! Alright, I love the energy. Kahit umaga, morning people time lahat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Open for check-in. Welcome to your grandest getaway here at the Klook Travel Fest 2024. Palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili niyo for being here. Alright, to all our lovely guests.
Kasi mas marami pa talaga kaming mga deals, packages, offerings that we want to unveil this year. So I hope...
look at you. And there was, somebody yesterday said, oh my God, she is staring into my soul.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I need more energy. Are you guys ready?